Yeah, I just googled this recipe and it turns out not too good in terms of the texture, but it still tastes good and lemony. Sometimes I'm too lazy to even test the recipe before filming it. I used to procrastinate on little things in life, but not this time. Have you watched the newest Pixar movie Soul? I think the movie is benefiting adults so much more than children. Soul is about one man who is focusing all of his life to catch his dream job. He is not satisfied with his life right now. He thought that he will be happy and his life will change if he can get his dream job. Finally, he got one phone call from his dream job, but because he is too focused and too excited, he fell down into a hole, died, and went to the afterlife. He met with another spirits and God's assistant. He refused to be dead and he tries to come back to earth, but only with one condition. He has to mentor one lost soul to help her find her sparks and go back to earth. In the afterlife realm, he can see all the flashback from his childhood, just like us watching a movie. He realized how much he had wasted his entire life by chasing one thing only. But yes, he did get back to earth and get his dream job. He performed very well and get a standing ovation. And then he said, "Wow, I have been waiting my whole life for this, but why I still feel not as happy as I supposed to be? Why?" One fish is asking the older fish, "Where is the ocean? I want to see it." "The ocean? You are in it right now," says the older fish. "No, this is water. I want to see the ocean." Aren't we all like that? We always chase something, to focus on something in the future. Yet, we forget to enjoy and live in the now. We work hard for money and recognition. We want to prove ourselves. Our mind is always worried about the future or regretting the past. We want to know our life purpose. We always want proof and certainty. Don't get me wrong, of course we need money and have to work to sustain our life. But most of the time, we get riled up by the tornado of our constant wanting and non-stop thinking. We forget to stop and breathe, to smell the flower, to feel the wind that kisses our face, to just do nothing and feel good about ourselves without guilt. How luxurious is that thing, to be content with what we already are. No wonder there is so much suffering in this world, many illness and sorrow. We hit our depression and don't know what to do and why. There is only one answer to that chaos. It is because we are disconnected from our own soul and truth. We have drifted away too far from love. we forget who we really are and why we are here. For you who are wondering what to do and what is the purpose of your life, guess what? Your purpose is to live as if today is your last day on earth, to be present with every moment, to feel your soul and your inner bliss. That is our inner purpose, to remember that we are a divine being, full of love and power. We are lack of nothing. Everything that is happening is beautiful. There is no mistakes, only lessons. Our inner purpose will lead to our outer purpose, just like the man from Song that finally he is getting back to his old job as a teacher, and he felt so joyful and content from inside because he knew that life is how we perceive it from within. Many folks only chasing the outer purpose, which is money, without finding their inner purpose. Soon, no amount of money will make me happy and fulfilled. It's like a hedonic treadmill that never ends. When the inner purpose is felt and embodied, the outer purpose or your job will bring you happiness from within. Every obstacle will be seen as an upgrade and lessons for our growth. So don't burn yourself trying to figure out your life purpose. Instead, stop and breathe. Honor your body. Look at your surrounding and make a gratitude list for what you already have. We can only be truly happy from within. Happiness is not outside. See yourself in the mirror and what truly a miracle to be alive and experience this human journey. Ask yourself, if this is my last day, will I die with joy in my heart? If not, what can I do differently today and not tomorrow? Life is always happening now. Now let's focus on the cake. Even though my eyes didn't approve, but my tongue and my heart loves it. It is easy to be disappointed with little things in life. Yes, it needs improvement and worth another try, but right now, let's find something good about it. It is a super moist and lemony cake. It melts in my mouth. I already devoured almost half of it. Look how pretty this cake is. I love lemon a lot. I have a flower garden on my cake. My heart just blooms and bursts with contentment from inside. I'm eating it again right now with a lot of lemon glaze. Delicious. The ginger tea is a perfect match for this cake. My afternoon is a complete joy. Life is always have a way to teach us. It is up to us on how we perceive everything in life. Find your inner purpose first. Be so unabashedly grateful with yourself. Feel the energy of life and love from inside that no external things can sink your ship. My not so perfect lemon cake is making me happy from inside. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you felt resonate. Thank you. Bye.